Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's Meg and I'm going to show you a really quick and easy lava effect nail, so just keep watching. Okay guys, so you're going to start with your blooming gel and you're going to want to do one coat of that all over the nail to begin with. If this was on a client, you would just be doing this in the tip area because you can't get underneath the nail bed area like I'm going to be doing in a second, you'll see. But once that's on, remember not to cure it. We're going to take Serious Black and we are going to begin our dots on the nail. Now this doesn't need a lot of perfecting. The blooming gel is going to do its work. So you just want to make sure that you create some large blobs all over the nail and try and elongate them down the nail in a sort of linear fashion, I guess. You kind of want it to look like cracks when it starts to bloom. So you don't want circles, you do want to start to drag it down the nail as I'm doing here a little bit. You see I'm going on a little bit of a diagonal just so that when it does bloom, you're going to look like you've got cracks rather than like a cow print kind of vibe. So I'm just going to leave that now for a few minutes and then I'm going to pop it in the lamp and it's going to do its thing. And you will see in a second. I was a little bit hesitant and a bit worried at this point. Was it going to work? Was it not? Because I'd never done it before. This is a design that I saw online. I cannot think for the life of me where I saw it, but I did. And I was like, I need to do it. So that's what we're doing today. I'm now going to go in with my top coat and just cure the top so that it's sealed because that's all that needs to happen on the top. Then we are going to take Jaffa Cake, which is a really stunning orange colour that we've got. The full coverage of this is giving full coverage. I mean, it's the best coverage that you could probably get. As you can see here, it's gone over black, no bother with one stroke. So it's pretty good. It's a very nice, deep, rich orange colour, but it does come out quite bright. I am not good at explaining colours, but all I'm trying to say to you is it's a 10-10 and it works good for this design. I'm just going to go ahead here and repeat this step on the next nail. So I did the 3 different nails just to show you how easy and quick it was, and it wasn't just a fluke on one nail. It is really simple. So I'm going to stop rambling on now and I'm just going to let you enjoy watching me do the other ones, and then I will be back in a minute to explain the next step. So I will have finished my 3 designs now, and what you want to do is make sure to top coat under the orange. If it's on a client as well, make sure it's top coated, otherwise that's going to become sticky and tacky and not very nice or pleasant for the client. This is how they came out, and I would love to see this on somebody. I'm quite tempted to do it on myself, but I just don't have the time ever. But they look really effective, don't they, guys? It does look like lava cracks, and I think the orange came out a lot brighter than I anticipated, considering it's quite a rich orange, a deep orange. Yeah, I'd love to see you guys recreate this look as well and try and spin your own take on it like I did, because it was wicked. I just saw it online and I loved. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.